Today I'm making Boursin cheese stuffed crescents. First I'm going to make the topping, so in a pot I have 2 tablespoons of butter. Next I'm going to add 3 cloves of crushed garlic and then heat this on the stove until everything is melted. Now I have a sheet of puff pastry and a lined cookie sheet. Next I have 2 Boursin cheeses and garlic and fine herb, and I'm going to spread that on the puff pastry. Next I'm going to cut the puff pastry into 4 squares, then in each square I'm going to cut it on diagonals to make 2 triangles in each square. Then take each triangle and roll it from the longer end and roll it into a crescent shape. Then take the garlic butter mixture and brush it onto each crescent. Then sprinkle shredded Parmesan cheese on top and then bake this at 425 for 15 minutes. Once the Boursin cheese crescents were done, I added them onto a tray, and here's an up-close look.